What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. I've been talking about wanting to change up the look of the 86 for a little while now, but I love the Neptune blue too much to wrap the car a different color. I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video what we're going to be doing today, but in case you don't know, we're going to be installing a livery on my 2023 Toyota GR86. Now, when I say livery, I can mean a whole sort of different things. And all the liveries that I've seen that are like pre-cut or custom made all go for a lot of money. And honestly, I'm not even sure on whether or not I'm gonna like that look on this car. And because of that is why I ended up going with a $40 livery for my 86. Now, when you hear me say $40, you might be thinking, what are you, Justin, what are you talking about, for like an RC car or something? But no, sure not. We actually have the livery that I'm gonna be installing right here. And I already got the car primarily wiped down, so we're going to go ahead and get it installed. But before we can do that, I'm actually gonna go ahead and get it unboxed and all unraveled out. That way you all can see how it looks. I'm always kind of giving updates, trying to get feedback from you guys on what kind of videos you guys would like to see. I made this little render, which I'll put on the screen right here, which is hopefully what the car is gonna end up looking like at the end of the day. So let me unravel it out fully in the air, and then I'll lay it on the ground for you guys. Oh man, look at that, that's crazy. Holy crap, this is long, so it's gonna be taller than me. That's not really a surprising thing though, you guys, I'm sure. Holy crap. Man, that's pretty cool. I've never really done anything like this before, like I said, and I'm not even sure on whether or not I'm gonna like it. I just figured it's about to rain right now, so I thought it'd be the perfect opportunity to go ahead and get this thrown onto the car. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start working on the passenger side so we can see how it looks. Probably gonna have to do something like that, kind of match the direction of this thing right here. Like I said, you guys, who knows whether or not this is gonna look good. If it doesn't, I could always just take it right back off afterwards. Now, I think you gotta just go ahead and peel the white part. Oh shoot. Ah, dang it. There we go. Dang. This next one is definitely gonna be a lot more difficult just because of the size. And I'm trying to just work my way up because I know the farther I get into this, the harder it's going to get just because the bigger the pieces I'm going to use. But this is a good spot for it right here. I'm going to split this down the middle because there's this body line right here that has the fender and the front bumper. So I'm going to use that to split this piece into two. Very careful when I'm doing this. All right. Not too bad. All right, you guys, so obviously, as you could tell, it's pretty much pitch black out here, but I wanted to come out here and update you guys real quick. It's been a few hours. Obviously, as you could tell, I got the first side of the car fully finished up. I know it's really hard for you guys to see obviously right now just because of how dark it is, but I just wanted to come out here and quickly show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and just get it started up because I haven't started it actually in a few days. Just let it warm up for a few minutes, then pull it inside, and then tomorrow morning, I'm gonna come back out here and start working on the driver's side. With that being said, let's go ahead and get the car all started up. All right, so good morning, you guys. It's officially, as you can tell, the next day. We're pretty much just gonna pick up right where we left off from last night. This side turned out pretty decent so far. So what we're gonna go ahead and do now is come over here so we can get the driver's side unraveled and each of the pieces individually cut out so I can get them laid onto the car. I got all the decals each individually cut out. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is get them placed onto the car. I'm probably gonna work from the front towards the back, kind of like how I did on the passenger side. All right, you guys, so it's actually been probably like 3 or 4 hours later now. I got everything all finished up on the car. All I have to do now is just get everything all sort of cleaned up. I'm also probably gonna change my shirt just because I'm super sweaty right now after working on the car for the past couple hours. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get the car now, pull it out onto the driveway. That way we can let it warm up for a few minutes and I can show you guys how it looks. Alright, you guys, so let me know what you think. As you can tell, we just pulled up to a spot right now. For $40, I truly can't complain. And I'm curious to see on whether or not you guys would do something like this on your 86. So enough talk, I know you guys are really excited to see how it turns out. So with that being said, let's go ahead and cut into the cinematics. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Like I said, I'm really curious to hear whether or not you guys would do something similar to this on your vehicle. I'll leave a link down in the description below in case you guys are actually interested in purchasing a livery kind of like this. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you guys are new. That way you can stay up to date on all the content that I make with my 86, just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.